Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can upload emojis in your Jira software. So let's start. This is going to be funny. So what you want to do is go right up corner to settings and then just like click here on billing. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see back to site settings and you're gonna see emoji here. And what you want to do is just like simply upload emoji here, and this is pretty much it. How you do it? So you just upload the PNG file, max 1 megabyte, and yep. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And goodbye.